Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So if you want to see how I made this creamy soy milk, come along with me. So first of all, you want to wash your soya beans to get rid of any dirt and stone that may be underneath, and then you are going to soak it for a few minutes. Then this is the date. It's also called debino. You can get it in the Hausa main shops that sell things in the market. So the soya beans, after it has soaked for about 5 minutes, you pour it inside this food processor just to be able to get rid of the bag, just like washing beans, so that we'll have a very white soya milk, because we are going to be adding dates which will tint the color a bit, so we don't want it to be pure white from the beginning. So we are taking this soy milk to another different level. It's full of natural flavors and sweetener, no artificial flavor or sweetener in this. So it's very nice, it's very nutritious for the entire family, and you will enjoy this very well. So when you've blended the soya beans, you are going to sieve it into your pot directly. Use a very large pot. You can sieve it very well, and you can as well rinse the shaft again to extract more milk, but let the water not be much. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be among the first to know. So you just put it on your fire and let it cook for about 30 minutes. Continue watching it so that it won't boil over. Immediately it starts boiling, you now allow it to cook for another 5 minutes and you are done. So you let it cool down completely before adding the debino. So this debino, now we are going to deseed it, that is, remove the seeds and just let it be, and we are going to blend it to paste. So add that water you used to soak it, because we already rinsed the debino before soaking it. It's best to soak your debino overnight in your fridge, because the weather is very hot. If you leave it on the countertop, it tends to start getting spoiled immediately. Or you can just let it soak for about a long period of time until it's soft enough for you to work with. So I'm going to also blend this coconut to extract the milk. This will give richness to our soy milk. You can omit it if you want. With the debino, it's already perfect. This is just to go extra. So let the soy milk cool down completely before adding the debino and then the coconut milk. So after adding all of those things, you strain it the final time. This soy milk stores well in the freezer. You don't want to store it in your fridge because it can get spoiled immediately, easily, unless your fridge is very strong and you can trust the coldness. And it's even better you immediately put it in the freezer. When it's a bit cold, then you can now put it in the fridge so that it will quickly start getting cool, if you understand what I mean, so that it will not get spoiled easily. So this stores very well in the freezer actually. So after you bottle it, you can keep them in your freezer. Whenever you need it, you bring it out, defrost, and enjoy. Not defrost in microwave, or just let it sit on the countertop inside water in a bowl, and let it just defrost, and you have yourself very delicious soy milk. You can see how nice it is. Like, it was so interesting, so delicious, and the coconut gave it this richness that is very nice. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and let me know if you are going to be giving this a try. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Enjoy the recipe.